Hey everyone, today I come with another money making video about how to make money from affiliate marketing. I already upload some affiliate marketing videos on my channel. If you don't have any knowledge about affiliate marketing, first watch my old video. I explain in detail how to start affiliate marketing from scratch. I give the link in description and also add the icon. Now in this video I will teach you how to get more traffic to your affiliate link and how to get more sales without having a blog. Today we don't consider affiliate network like Clickbank, Zoho, Amazon and other networks. You ask me a question, then how to promote a product. I will show other affiliate program method. You can promote online services or tool, not a product guys. And the benefit of promoting online services and tool affiliate program to earn a commission every month. You don't need to sell this tool and also make a commission if someone sign up or use a free trial. If you don't know about online services, for example, Uplift is an online service platform that provides a service which help people to grow their social media account. Now, a lot of businesses and influencers want to grow their account and they need some person to handle it. So they consider this type of services. You don't worry about which tool or service to promote, where to find and how to start. I will teach you step by step how to choose an affiliate program and how to promote it and how to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Before moving to the video, if you want to make money from online, follow my channel. I upload a video about making money. Just click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get an instant notification when I upload a new video. After watching this video, if you think this video is helpful, put some like and share with your friends. So let's get moved directly in this video. First step, choosing services. I will give some all-time trending services guys. First, blogging SEO tool. Blogger need SEO tool for doing keyword research, SEO audit and backlink checking to rank their website higher on Google. So they need this type of tool. Nowadays, a lot of people start blogging and make money from this method. This is one of the best way to make money online guys. So I will show some best blogging tool. You can easily join their affiliate program. The first one is SMrush and the next one is Ahrefs. And guys, the second tool is email marketing tool. This is used for sending email and knowing the email open rate, CTR, design and more. This tool is mostly used by both affiliate marketer and bloggers. As a blogger, they send an email when they upload a new content, and as a affiliate marketer, send mail to promote their product. So they need this type of services. I will show two email marketing tools: Sendinblue and GetResponse. And the third online service tool is social media tool. This tool is used for scheduling and managing their account. A lot of businesses and influencers want this tool because they don't have time to manage their account. So they need someone to manage their social media and contact a freelancer or service provider. I will show two best social media tools. Uplift and Kickstarter is one of the best tools for managing Instagram accounts. And the fourth one is graphic design tool, which is used to design a post or image. Canva is the best software to create a graphic design. You can promote it to get a high engagement because a lot of blogger, YouTuber, influencer, businesses use Canva to create ads, images, thumbnails, poster and more. You can easily join their affiliate program. The fifth one is posting service. Before I told about blogging tool, this is also a blogging service. You can promote this hosting service. A blogger need hosting to store their data. The best hosting services are Hostinger, Bluehost, A2 hosting. Join and promote it guys. And the final one is Pinterest tool. I think maybe you know about Pinterest. In US, Pinterest is a third visual search engine and it has millions of monthly active users. More than 72 users are women and more than 70% of people buy product when they see a brand content. So business, blogger, affiliator and more want to grow their Pinterest account. So they need some tool like Tailwind. This is also a scheduling tool and also it has some special feature guys. Most of Pinterest users use this Tailwind tool. Guys, these six services are always trending. You can pick anything off to start promoting to make money from affiliate marketing. The second step is how to drive traffic to your affiliate. And guys, Medium. Medium is also like blogging, but we don't need to buy hosting or creating a website. You can just sign up to create your account for free in Medium platform. This is a platform where people can find brand content and also useful content. Maybe if you also search something on the internet, you will notice this website. If we upload content in Medium, not only we get drive traffic from this website and also get traffic from Google. So we get thousands of free traffic from this website guys. Note Don't use copy paste method because a lot of you search how to drive traffic to your outlet and you watch a lot of videos they show copy paste method, but don't do that. You won't make money from that method. If you put in your hard work, you get a profit. If you do something like a copy paste method, it's waste of time. Maybe sometimes you get one using this method, but not all the time. Guys, analyze your product, what you promote, and write an article about it. Minimum 900 words. Yeah, I know it's a little bit hard and it takes some time to write an article. If you copy other article, you get a copyright problem and more problem. Write a own article which will increase your audience trust. Once you write an article, come back, open your Medium account. Guys, this is my Medium account and I already registered as a publisher. I already wrote an article about my product that I promote. Click your profile icon and you will see option and select write a story option. Here we paste our article. Medium is easy to use, guys. I already copied my article in my clipboard. I just paste my article, guys. Just wait. Yeah. After pasting your article and adding some images that relevant to your topic, and if you want to add an image, click the plus icon. Wait, guys, I will show. Click the plus icon to add an image, videos, or anything you like. After finishing this work, this is time to add our affiliate link. Guys, add your link maximum 3 or 4 times and don't do spam activity which will bad to your Medium account. Just paste my link. Guys, after pasting your link, write a catchy title, guys, which will increase your CTR, which means click through rate. I just write how to increase your Instagram followers. Just wait, guys. Yeah, I finished my title section. Now I add my affiliate link, guys. Just wait. I copy to my clipboard, guys. Yeah, this is my affiliate link, and again paste this place. I pasted my link, guys, 3 times. And after finishing this work, in above you will see the green color publish button. Click publish and guys create a thumbnail which will attract people, guys. In first section, upload your thumbnail, and in below here you upload your thumbnail and scroll down below. This is the section where you can add a 5 related tags about your article. Once you finish this work, click publish now to publish your content, guys. And guys, if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And if you want to make money from online, follow my channel. I regularly upload how to make money